Okay, this is Cool Trains in Montreal, and I got a CP train here at Des Sources overpass. It's about 3:20 p.m. on a Friday afternoon. I was just heading off towards Valois when it came. So since I was up here on the bridge, I figured I'd try and get it. But I thought it was on the CN side, so I'm actually in a better spot for CN trains, but this is pretty interesting too. You can see how the bridge loops over. It's the where you get it from the street there, Donegany Street. It loops around and over the train tracks and Donegany Street. And as you can see, the foliage is really changing. So as I'm watching this, I'm also waiting to see if I can get something on the CN. There's a CN train parked not too far from here, up towards Dorval. And this is pretty good. The foliage is at a point now where you can actually see the trains from here. It's not a bad spot. Big writing. I think this is train 133, if I'm not mistaken, heading westbound for sure. Looks like that's the end of the train there, that last car, yeah. I can't see any more of it. And if you look down there, you can see the tail end of a CN train. So I'm waiting for something from there. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.